And then we... I dropped the drop successfully, but it was like too close to the other one. If you love food, then you're in the right place because this is How to Foodie Nation. Today, I have a very special guest with me. It's Marina.
Hi.
She's from the Messy Apron, and today she'll be teaching us all about coconut drops. So let's get baking.
So the first thing we'll do is we'll add flour
Okay.
to the bowl, baking powder.
Get all in, please.
Sorry,
Don't
sorry.
you waste.
A pinch of salt. Do you want a pinch of salt?
I'm the official pincher.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
As always on the pinch, you know. One day I'll get this right.
Okay, and then we're gonna use margarine, and we're gonna cut it into the
Flour.
yeah.
What does cutting mean?
Just to break it up so that it resembles like fine breadcrumbs.
Oh, so that's like when you rub in the flour
Yeah.
the butter, sorry, into the mixture.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, so you get massaging.
Yes.
Now, Marina, do you consider yourself a master baker?
No.
She's lying. She's being very modest. She is
No.
fantastic, which is why I had to ask her to come here to show me some of her very good skills. Coconut drops is like a childhood favorite.
Yeah.
You all remember back in the days when they used to have bread vans that would come around in the area selling goods. That's like bakeries on wheels. Coconut drops is the first thing you're getting for like $2 and again 2 drops.
Yes, and then you put some butter on a hot drop.
Listen, good stuff.
Really.
All right, so how are we looking now?
Okay, so I'll keep doing this for a while. In the meantime, you could whisk the egg with the
okay,
fork.
sure.
Yeah.
And this is going in after?
Yes.
Okay,
Well,
let me do a good
after
job.
the sugar and the coconut.
So more dry ingredients and then the wet one last.
Yes. Okay, so
Yes,
then you
ma'am.
can add the
Milk?
milk and
Okay.
the vanilla essence.
So we're getting all our wet ingredients together.
Yes.
And I'll try not to make a mess.
Right. So this is really clumpy. So we're gonna add the, if you can please,
Sure.
add the sugar and the coconut.
It all just looks like butter all over your hands.
I know.
If half of the ingredients on your hands, what are we going to eat?
I'm telling you. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna mix this in, and then
Then we're going to get to the
add
whites.
yeah. So you can add that in,
Sure.
and well, if you would like to continue, because I don't wanna just use a fork to just mix
to
it in a
incorporate
little.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get it in a little bit for you.
Yeah.
I see you learn your lesson because you don't want to get all the
Yeah.
all the
it's a
ingredients
bit
back on your
wet.
hand.
Yeah.
The consistency of a dough for drops is very different to any that I've seen before because it's not doughy at all, really.
No,
Kind of looks like oatmeal.
in a sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that good enough for you?
Yes. Just mix this corner here a little.
Sure.
Okay, good. So that's it for that. And then we're gonna put it on a grease tray, drop them onto a grease tray, and put them to bake for 20 minutes.
So let me get the tray and
Yes.
then we could get moving.
Yes.
Dough is complete.
Yes.
And now,
Time to drop the drops.
so we drop in drops. I need a demonstration because I have
Okay.
no clue.
So you could either use forks or spoons, and you're just gonna take up a bit and literally scoop it on, drop it.
So we just drop it?
Yeah.
All right, so let me try.
But
You get a little bit.
Maybe you could make that one, yours a little bit bigger.
You need, so this much?
Yeah.
I feel like a spoon is kind of better because you can use the spoon for the size. And then we... I dropped the drop successfully, but it was like too close to the other one. That's okay, we just move them a little bit.
Cause yeah.
Listen.
I like that though.
We rolling with it.
Okay. Let's
Your
add-
drop's
add
not
some
dropping
more-
like... Guy, listen, I'm trying my best here.
Sorry for laughing. Pardon my reach.
Thank you. Let's try this again. And drop somewhere. It's gonna make it in the oven. That's most important, okay?
Yeah, okay.
So I'm gonna keep dropping these drops, however, with Marina's guidance. And then what?
And then we're going to bake them
For how long?
for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes.
So bake and then eat?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going, please, with my beautiful looking drops. I think these are the prettiest ones I've ever seen in my life.
And they smell so good.
Best drops ever. So we could try it one time?
But you're asking answers.
Let me break it for. I will give you the bigger half only this time. The bigger half.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, cheers. Uh-oh.
Cheers.
So coconutty.
So good, so good, so good. The best part about it is that it's still warm. That I like.
So you can put some butter on this.
Mm-hmm.
It's good to go.
I'm getting all those nice coconut flavors coming through so strong. But I feel like, I know I've seen them with other things in it. Like I've seen drops with raisins.
Yeah, you could also put the mixed fruit.
Oh, those little colored
Yeah.
chunks of things. What else can you put? You think cranberries?
Yes.
It would be amazing.
I'm sure you
Thanks
could
so
put
much.
like nuts and stuff in it as well.
Oh, for real? Guys, tell us in the comments if you've put other things in drops and what you put actually. Thank you so much for coming
you.
and teaching me great stuff. Guys, be sure to check out Marina at the Messy Apron TT on Instagram and on Facebook. And I need you to come back, you know.
For sure.
I'm gonna need you to come back and teach me something again. So look out because I'm going to beg her to be back and teach us some more. Until next time, guys, be sure to subscribe to our channel and always check us out on How to Foodie Nation. Bye bye.